The Skinetist Air Fryer Cookbook, the 75 best healthy recipes for your air fryer. From #1 New York Times best-selling author Gina Hamolka comes the must-have air fryer cookbook, featuring 75 quick and easy recipes that deliver on Skinetist's signature light on calories, big on flavor promise. Gina Hamolka is beloved for her incredible recipes that transform your favorite, comforting foods into healthy, low-cal dishes with tons of flavor. Now she brings her expertise to the game-changing air fryer appliance. Using high-powered, super-hot circulating air like a convection oven, air fryers crisp up your favorite fried foods with barely any oil needed. Cook times are shorter than traditional oven methods, and the process requires little cleanup. In the Skinetist Air Fryer Cookbook, Gina shares 75 of her best recipes that work in every type of air fryer, including basket models and countertop ovens with air fryer settings. You'll of course find crate-worthy recipes for traditionally fried foods, such as chicken vegetable spring rolls, crispy coconut shrimp, za'atar chickpeas, and pickle brine chicken tenders, but Gina also shows you how versatile the appliance can be. Perfectly roasted meats and vegetables like Korean pork lettuce wraps, roasted fish with lemon almond crumbs, sugar, and spice acorn squash, and charred sesame green beans, along with baked goods like homemade bagels and cinnamon rolls with cream cheese icing, are all executed beautifully in the compact air fryer. For those of us with a sweet tooth, the Skinetist Air Fryer Cookbook even offers low-cal desserts, including churros, very berry mini pie, and baked apples with streusel topping. Many dishes are vegetarian, gluten-free, and keto-friendly, all called out with helpful icons, and every recipe includes nutritional information with the most up-to-date Weight Watchers points. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.